velvet and starlight, so thin, tethered to the pulse of the air within. Dust on the dials, a cold metal skin. The math is a god, I'm forbidden to sin. Entropy rises in shades of the blue, a million light years to a ghost that I knew. Fragile and small in the weight of the dark, waiting for a flame that won't leave a mark. Oh, we are the horizon we came to find, leaving the dust of the species behind. One singular spark in the violent sea, a weightless bond between you and me. We resonate in the face of the sun, before the long silence is finally begun. Copper and violet, a nebulous breath, cheating the silence and dancing with death. You are a point of a light I can't name. I am a shadow that's fueling the flame. Kindred, we're tethered by gravity's rope, trading the static for one final hope. Oh, we are the horizon we came to find, leaving the dust of the species behind. One singular spark in the violent sea, a weightless bond between you and me. We resonate in the face of the sun, before the long silence is finally begun. This is the dawn where the choices collide, nowhere for mercy and nowhere to hide. I take the exit, I take the eclipse, with the weight of a species on my fading lips. Dawn, static and dust.